In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your emails by creating a new folder in Zoho Mail. Managing your inbox efficiently can save you time and reduce stress by ensuring all your important messages are sorted and easily accessible. Let's dive right into the process of setting up your own email folder. To begin, we'll first need to log in to Zoho Mail, which you can access by opening your web browser and heading to their website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as you'll need to enter them to access your account. Once you're logged in and you've reached your inbox, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This section hosts all of your primary categories like Inbox and Sent. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see a section labeled Folders. Now, Folders is where we're going to set up our new organizational space. When you hover your cursor over the word Folders, you'll notice a small plus or plus icon appear right next to it. This icon is your gateway to creating a new folder, so go ahead and give it a click. Clicking this will open a pop-up that prompts you to fill in some details about your new folder. In this pop-up, you'll first see the folder name field. Here, you can enter a name that best describes what emails you plan to store in this folder. For example, if you're organizing client correspondence, you might choose a name like Clients. Alternatively, if you need to sort your bills, Invoices could be more appropriate. The naming choice is entirely yours, so pick something that makes sense for your needs. Additionally, you have the option to create subfolders if you want to categorize within categories. This is achieved by choosing a parent folder from a drop-down list, should you desire that extra layer of organization. However, this step is optional and can be skipped if you prefer a straightforward approach. Once you're satisfied with your folder name and any parent folder configurations, simply click the Save button, and just like that, your new folder is created. You'll immediately see it appear in the folder list on the left sidebar, ready for use. With this folder now established, you can begin to move emails into it manually, helping you categorize your messages effectively. For an even more streamlined inbox experience, consider setting up filters within Zoho Mail that automatically direct certain emails into your freshly created folder based on specific criteria you define. By organizing your emails this way, your inbox can become a powerful tool for staying organized and keeping track of all your essential communications. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your journey to achieving a clutter-free inbox.